everybody. This time I'm going to teach you a new technique. This is called the Zig Zag Technique. Here first we build the normal domino line. It's kind of very easy. And after that we turn it. And after that we come back here. So we can build this pattern how much ever you want. And after we again turn here, and after that we repeat this and it goes on and on. So this is called zigzag technique. So we can build on and on. So this is called the zigzag technique. But one know that in the turn we leave very less gap because it may slide somewhere else. So let's topple it. Let's see. 3,